What's going on YouTube? Don't watch my face. I'm in the wolfing stage of my hair. As you can see, the hair is growing, so don't watch the face, but video is pending. Basically today, oil change is needed on the CooperxT, and I've got some random hole in my auxiliary belt, so that has to get changed as well. So yeah, we're here at my boy's garage, JDM. Well, it's called Michael's, but it's not Michael's. It's called JDM Garage. Call it JDM Garage, yeah. If you need any service in your car and that, this is the place to come. It's in Thornton Heath. So if you're in the London South East area, Thornton Heath, JDM Garage. I'll find the address and let you know somewhere in the description. I'll do this thing down here now because I'm getting sick at the videos, doy. So yeah, I've got some oil, which I'll get out in a minute. I bought the expensive stuff. I only use the expensive stuff, to be fair. What do I use again? What's that oil called? Miller's? No, not Miller's. Miller's is decent, but I use Motul. That's it. 300V. Yeah, you can find it online anywhere. It's not a Halfords thing. Sorry, Castrol, bit dead. But yeah, 300V. And today I'm putting in 5W40 because I like the thicker oil. I had 1550 in here before, but it's a bit too thick in it for everyday driving. So yeah, 5W40 is what I use. Obviously you'll see the oil in a minute, and yeah, I'll show you the auxiliary belt change and the hole as well. Should really hold this camera straight in it, my face. My hair is peak. Alright guys, allow me. But yeah, let's get into it and see what happens. Why does that never work for me? So, as I said before, this is the oil that I use. Bad boy, 300V power, 540 for Motul. I have got 6 litres of these bad boys. Obviously the car takes 5, but I like to have a spare just for top up. It's always advisable to keep a spare oil in your car, just in case. My car does not drink oil, by the way, but when I'm tearing it around the track, you never know what might happen. So yeah, I keep a little bit. I got my belt. Obviously gates, come on, no cheap things. Yeah, I'll somehow change this today. And look at this guy trying to read my video. Don't read my video. And I've got my filter. Oh guys, this is Roger. Okay, JDM, what's it called? JDM what?
JDM, that's it.
JDM, that's it. This is YouTube. So this is JDM, yeah, garage, yeah, where you can come for your mechanics. If you need any help with your cars and you can't do it yourself, come see Roger, yeah, Sir Roger. But yeah, boom, let's get into it. Again, I'm not trying to make no long video, quick content. CooperxT is on this thing. Yeah, look, all my stuff is here. I've got it in the video there. All my stuff is here, ready to go, yeah? Right, gloves are on. I've got my socket, and I'm about to get under this car and do this thing. Right, so we're under the car, and I'm about to undo the sump plug, which is that, okay? And then oil should pee out into that, hopefully. Yeah, I don't know if I can drop the camera up somewhere so I can show you, but that's probably all long, so I'll just show you all in the pan once it's done. Right, well, it's 18 mil, okay? I've undone it. Oh, I can show you guys. Where are you? Where are you? Here. Okay, so let's see if I can get the oil peeing out into the bucket. Hopefully it won't hit my face. There she blows. Lovely. So yeah, keep this safe. And yeah, out she goes, nice and dark. That has done about 3,000 to 4,000 miles, and it's been around the ring untold times and Brands Hatch. So yeah, it's done pretty well. But yeah, time for a change. Ring prep By the way, yeah guys, I'm going ring in 2 weeks, so watch out for the video, it's coming soon. Right, so now that oil's drained out the bottom, I'm now going to take the air filter, am I mad? oil filter, can't even speak man, oil filter out. This is the tool I'm going to use to remove it. My camera isn't as great, maybe I could do it actually, let me show you. So, my oil filter is there, you can see it. Yep, so now I need to get a ratchet and take that out. This could take a while, I'll probably just show you after. Right, so here's one I prepared earlier. No, I'm joking. But yeah, so I've loosened it. Out comes the bad boy. And yeah, now I'll take the filter out. Let's see if I can pop this up. Alright, so I'm gonna pull the filter out. Sweet! And we wanna save this O-ring because in my new filter, well, when you get a new filter, there should be an O-ring that comes with it. And I got a nice mouth filter, no cheap things. To get this off, you can use your nails, which I haven't got any, obviously, so I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver. But yeah, let me get that and come back. Obviously, it's a bit slippery because there's oil, but it's off. Calm. It would have helped if I had the filter as well. What a joker. Let me get that. Filter's here. Now original. Fresh. With a fresh O-ring as well. Perfect. So, use a bit of grease if you want. Don't have to, but I do sometimes. Slip that over the top. I know man admiring my waves, isn't it? It's calm. Right, so my new O-ring's on. My new filter. It would help if I put it in the right way. There's obviously a top and a bottom. This is quite embarrassing. Right, that's in. I don't know what took me so long to figure that out, but that's it. And now I'm gonna put this back in the car. Right, so new filter's going in. There we go. Get that all tight. Oh yeah, by the way, anyone that's watching this for a CooperxT, all the best, because you're gonna have some big ass in the cooler on here. Sorry, but if you've got a Cooper, again, I think your oil filter is further down as well. But because mine's a custom turbo car, power. As you can see, turbo. My stuff has been moved, so it's a bit easier for me to reach mine. But yeah, similar, actually it's exactly the same process. So now I've tightened the filter on. Well, I haven't really tightened it, but I'm gonna tighten it with my tool. Once you tighten it, I'm then gonna reseal the sump with the sump plug, and then I'm gonna fill it up with oil. So stay tuned. Right, time to fit back everything. So got the sump plug. I've got a special sump plug. You might not have this one, but this is made by Torx. It's actually a really good sump plug. Not that I'm promoting them because they don't pay me, but it's a good one. So yeah, fit this back up. Don't do it too tight, guys. Yeah, because if you crack it off in the sump, all the best, isn't it? Where did I put mine? You see, clearly I'm not very savvy because I put the bloody tool all the way down there. But yeah, get the idea. So tighten that back up. Once that's tight, and then we're gonna fill the engine with oil. Right, time for the fun stuff. Time to top up the oil. It's not murky, so there's no water in there, thank God. You can imagine if you open that up, yeah, and it's creamy, you've got a head gasket problem, but mine's not, so we're calm. So I'm gonna throw in 4 litres at first, which is two of these, and then I'm gonna check my dipstick and see what level we're at. And then it should take up to 5 litres to fill up the car. Like I said before, 5 litres to fill the car, and then I keep a litre as a spare top up. Yeah, so let's go. Right, so. Right, so I've fitted, well, poured in 2 and 4 litres, and then we just have a little quick check of the dipstick. Obviously you need to wipe it and then check it, but it should be near max. So yeah, right guys, so done the oil change. I've filled up the oil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start the car, just run it for a couple minutes just to get the oil through the filter, through the system, and then recheck the level, yeah? So just to make sure it's still the same. It might have dropped, most likely it would have dropped. Bloody hell. So yeah, it should have dropped really, because obviously the filter will soak up some of the oil. And then yeah, any excess top up needed, top it up.